My name is Anthony Bontrager. I'm the president of a company called OneCast. With me is Travis McElfresh. He's our VP of Technology. We founded OneCast 3 years ago in an effort to bring personalized news content to users across the web and into the mobile space. Specifically, we found that users wanted to have the ability to find and search for the news that's personally relevant to them and be able to watch it kind of when and where they are. And that was the reason we founded the company.
So you chose to create this application on the Android platform. Can you tell us some of the technical reasons?
Well, we chose the Android platform to develop the application on because it was a very easy system to use. Android represents, in our opinion, the leading, I guess, thought leader, if you will, in terms of taking a mobile OS and distributing it across different device types for us. And so, for us, as an ecosystem provider for video content, we wanted to be partnered with someone who shared that same vision and can take this OS into different device types beyond just the mobile space.
Great. Developers really like hearing your stories. Are there any technical challenges that you can tell us about that?
Could you repeat the question one more time?
Technical challenges that you've had to overcome.
Technical challenges. It's actually been quite easy to develop on the Android platform. One of the things we particularly like is the ease of deployment, and that's one of the things that we have found in other platforms to be kind of challenging, is the time by which you create your build and you want that out there in front of your users. With the Android platform and marketplace, you can have it right out there and just very easy.
Great. What's your favorite aspect of the Android development process?
Again, it's got to be the release process. We have the ability to take our build, put it out there right in front of our users, and with little to no headache, and get some instant feedback. If we need to do updates, we can do that quite easily.
Yeah, I think the feedback piece is very important for us because of the speed with which Android can be released out there and the feedback that we get back. It allows us to respond very quickly to our user base needs, and we've seen very positive feedback as a result of that.
What are some of the features that you can do on the Android platform that you can't do on the others?
Well, I think it goes to my earlier point around the whole Android ecosystem of being able to take our application off the mobile platform and in some of the new devices that many of the hardware manufacturers are going to start releasing here based upon the Android platform. So for us, again, as an ecosystem provider and having that as part of our mission statement, Android stands head and shoulders above everybody else.
All right. And are there any advice that you give to someone who's interested in developing?
Yeah, absolutely. Two come to mind around testing and promotion. Testing on the Android platform, because you can get it out there in marketplace, it's very easy. You can make your own builds, host it on your own site and point to it, and allow other people through some of the crowdsourced testing or even your friends to just go ahead and download and test it. That's not available on some of the other platforms. And around promotion, figure out that little QR little chart thing. That's very cool. You allow people to come by with a scanner on the Android phones and have an instant link off to your build to download and try out.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you.
Thank you.